There is a wine that's between red and white wine in color and character. It's delicious, inexpensive, versatile, food-friendly, and the color of that wine is a delight to the eyes. It could look pale pink, orangey pink, shades of salmon, or coral. It's also called with names such as rosado in Spanish, rosato in Italian, or as blush in other countries. All of these terms just refer to one thing, that is, the pink wine. Yes, you guessed it right. We are talking about rosé. I'm Vanita, and this is the perfect pour. The Provence region of France made rosés popular, and it's made all over the world. Not only every winery is striving to make their award-winning rosé. Celebrities like Angelina Jolie, Brad Pitt, Josh Ostrowski, also known as the Fat Jew, are producing their own versions of the pink wine. So let's get you to become rosé smart with some facts so that you can catch on to the rosé craze. Firstly, just as white and red are, rosé is a category of wine. It takes its name from the French word for pink. Rosé is more than just a passing trend. In France, it outsells white wine and it has won over the public. Forget the misconception that rosé wine is sweet because of its pinkish tone. Well, rosés can be made sweet, off-dry or bone-dry style. For decades in France, the blending of red and white wine has been approved only for making the pretty pink champagnes. Typically, rosé wines are made from black grapes. While different production methods exist, the most usual is maceration, whereby the black grapes are gently crushed and the juice is left in contact with the skins for a short period of 2 days to extract the beautiful shades of rosé. France tops the charts as the world's #1 producer of rosé wine. It is followed by Italy, the United States, and Spain. Most rosés are best enjoyed within a year or 2 of their release. While many can hold up for a few years, most are made to drink now to express their youthful freshness. While I would love to drink rosé all year around, there is something about the arrival of spring and summer that makes me crave for it. They have a lively acidity with diverse aromas and flavors. Let yourself fall in love with this blush-hued wine, as this is one crowd-pleasing partner to take along. Whether it's a holiday, picnic, brunch, dinners, get-togethers, or movie night. Of course, you can drink rosé all year long. Cheers!